New executive order shields millions of immigrants from deportation and also allows undocumented parents of U.S. citizens to stay in the country.
But some Oklahoma officials say the president went too far. News 9's Heather Hope joined us now with more on that. Heather?
Kelly and Amanda, Attorney General Scott Pruitt says the president's executive order is unlawful. His office is now reviewing the plan, while others who benefit from the reform celebrate.
But they are very excited they'll finally have their licenses. They'll be able to drive and go to work, go to the grocery store, and just be normal adults.
A victory for Jessica Vasquez and her parents, who brought her to America when she was 3 years old, fleeing violence in Mexico.
Everyone talks about, well, get in line, get in line. They don't understand that a lot of times these lines don't exist, or these lines aren't moving, they're very stagnant. My family has been in line for almost 2 decades now.
Until President Obama issued his executive order.
If you meet the criteria, you can come out of the shadows and get right with the law.
The immigration plan would allow about 4 million people to stay and work legally. They must pass background checks and pay taxes. This includes undocumented parents of U.S. citizens or legal permanent residents. It also expands the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, and security on the border would be increased.
Unless and until there is a court somewhere in the country that enjoins the president from doing what he has proposed under the executive order, his agencies at the federal level will proceed.
So Oklahoma Attorney General Scott Pruitt plans to sue those federal agencies, saying the president's plan is illegal and costly.
I think you'll see a spate of lawsuits, not just one, not just two. You'll see many lawsuits across the country.
It's a bittersweet feeling knowing that half of your friends are going to be able to come out of the shadows and cooperate and function like full Oklahoman Americans, and knowing that the other half are just going to have to live in the shadows until Congress acts.
The plan does not include a path to full legal status or benefits under the Affordable Care Act. The Attorney General did not set a date for when he'll file that lawsuit. Heather Hope, News 9.
Okay, Heather, more to come on that.